If you're looking for the City of Ann Arbor real estate numbers for March 2021, this video is for you. Hey folks, Todd Waller here, Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company Realtors, Studio 48, and I got the numbers right here for the Ann Arbor marketplace. Fascinating, as you can imagine, here in March. It's the end of the first quarter here of 2021, and wow, this market continues to be strong. But let's get right into those numbers, shall we? The average sales price for home and condo in the state, in the city of Ann Arbor, was $432,936. That's up 5.49% compared to March of 2020. The median sales price for a home in the city of Ann Arbor rose 6.81% to $390,000 even. So everything is moving up, and that speaks to a couple of things. We'll go through some more numbers here, but shortly. Zero in inventory. We have so little in the way of inventory, it's not even funny. And then when compared to demand, the demand is off the charts right now. So that's why we're seeing elevating sales prices even at the beginning of this year. The number of properties sold in Ann Arbor jumped 43.97% compared to March of 2020 to 167. There were 167 properties that sold in the month of March here in 2021, that is. Average days on market for a property that sold in March, it fell to 30 days even. It fell by 49.64%, nearly 50% compared to March of 2020. Interesting stat that I'm now starting to track, just given what's going on in our marketplace, is the number of properties that are sold at or above list price. What that means is a seller puts a price on their property, they bring that property to the market, and a buyer says, I like that number, or I will pay you more than that number, and those properties close. So there were, in the month of March 21, there were 77 properties that sold at or above list price. That translates into 46.11% of all homes closed in the city of Ann Arbor in March of 21 sold at or above list price. Nearly half of all properties sold in Ann Arbor sold at or above list price. This is fascinating. If you are in the market for selling, this is a great time to do that. Let's talk about making that happen for you right now. If you're in the market to purchase, it can be rough out there. It can be disheartening when you hear figures like this. Interest rates are still at all-time lows, and if we can get you under contract on a property, chances are really good you're going to see some benefit from getting into that home ASAP. So let's talk about how we can make this market work for you as well. This is Todd with Studio 48 at Berkshire Hathaway Home Services, Snyder & Company Realtors, saying we're here to recreate real estate.